मैंने 10 days not one Mysore masala dosa. I will give. Yeah. Channa bhatura, Anna bhatura. Anna hai. Bangalore bhaji, Mysore amma. Your native place? Chikmagalur. Ah, Malnadu. Malnadu. Ah, super. Oh. Ah, chutney. This is Mysore masala dosa in Mysore.
Yes.
Ah, बिस्सी बिस्सी पहनने मसाले मैसूर के अंदर मैसूर मसाला डोसा. टॉपिक इज इंडिया. आई एम इंडिया ब्लॉगर. अయ్యో महेश प्रसाद. महेश प्रसाद. अरे वाह. नमस्कार. चाट चाट. वाह. ये क्या ना नेम?
कटलेट मसाला. कटलेट मसाला.
कटलेट
मसाला.
कटलेट मसाला. लाइक रगड़ा पैटी. हाँ. पानी पूरी. भेल. सेव पूरी. सुपर. पूरी. वाह 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 वाह. Wow, look at this, friends. These are charts at Mahesh Prasad. Bhel puri, dahi puri, sev puri, cutlet masala. Superb. Anna, Niperu. Name. Raju. Raju Anna. Super. Rocks. Dahi puri Raju. See, friends, this is Mahesh Prasad restaurant. Hello. Mahesh Prasada. Namaskara. 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 Namaskara, sir. Smiling. Yeah, good smile. Lovely smile. Very good. Oh, sit here. Namaskara, sir. Walking from long distance for dosa. Ah, nice. South Indian meals, executive lunch. Okay. मैसूर मसाला डोसा मिलता आपके पास है ना? मैसूर मसाला डोसा खाना. मैंने 10 days not one मैसूर मसाला डोसा.
I will give.
Yeah, you are very sweet.
I will give.
Oh, look here. Wow, big booty. Like you.
That is chana bhatura.
Same like you.
Yeah.
Look at this. Chana bhatura, big size.
big.
My hand small. Booty big.
Some chana did it.
Ah, super. Nice, nice, nice. Honda. Ah, Mangalore. Mangalore bhaji. Mangalore bhaji हो रहा पीछे. हाँ. Mangalore bhaji. Mysore amma. Amma from Mysore. Bhaji from Mangalore. ये क्या रवा इडली? रवा इडली. Super, super. Very nice. One more पूरी. Ah. So nice. चन्ना भटूरा. Show. देखो. अन्ना same, भटूरा same. अन्ना एंड भटूरा सेम अन्ना एंड भटूरा. चन्ना भटूरा, अन्ना भटूरा. अन्ना है सुपर. अन्ना भटूरा, चन्ना भटूरा. सुपर. वेरी नाइस. डोसा इकड़ा. डोसा इकड़ा. लेट्स गो. आनियन डोसा. वाओ. आनियन डोसा इकड़ा. हाँ. मास्टर. नमस्कार. Super. Your everywhere name Mahesh Prasad. Famous Mahesh Prasad. Thanks to you. Your hard work, dedication. Super Anna, super. 25 years. Dosa. Anna, make dosa na. Make. For I'll video. Now you show. Order.
कितना डोसा?
मैं तो खाएगा मैसूर मसाला डोसा. हाँ. मैसूर मसाला डोसा. मैसूर मसाला.
One piece.
Native place? Delhi. Your native place? Chikmagalur. Malnadu. Super. Coffee place. Yes. Looks so nice. Smooth dosa. Anna, you are expert. अन्ना नेम अन्ना शंकर. भगवान शंकर. ओहो बटर बेन्ने. वाव. चटनी फाइनली. अन्ना चटनी मोर. पल्या. सुपर डोसा. Anna, more chutney, red chutney, little more. Little more. Superb. Beautiful. This is Mysore masala dosa in Mysore by Shankar Anna. Here comes. Let's go on the table.
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ
Wow.
1 minute. Yes.
Aha, butter. Let's go. Busy, busy. Busy, busy. Busy, busy. Benne masale. Busy, busy. Busy, busy. Benne masale.
ಹಾಂ 1 minute ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್
Okay, okay. Here comes chutney.
This is South Indian chutney.
South Indian chutney from Mysore.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Yes, sir.
Oh, look here, so beautiful. Just like you. Smart, smart, Anna, smart dosa.
Please come.
Okay, let's go on the table. Let's go.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಮಸಾಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Benne, benne, busy, busy.
ಹೇಗೆ this one?
I can sit, yes, 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 no problem.
Please, sir.
Thank you.
ಒಂದು help ಮಾಡಿ.
Thank you, sir. Hello friends, so finally I'm getting to eat the Mysore masala dosa in Mysore itself. All over the India, Mysore masala dosa is famous. I've been wondering whether such kind of dosa exists or not, but it does. Because if you go in Delhi or if you go in Mumbai, you'll get this dosa which has a smearing of the red chutney inside the dosa. Now this is a benne dosa as well because there is butter inside the dosa as well as outside the dosa. There is palya, which is the potatoes, which is inside. Wow. So finally I'm getting to try this Mysore masala dosa in Mysore. Hello. Now this is a familiar taste. Shankar Anna from Chikmagaluru making these dosas from 25 years. Superb. Crispy, buttery. So Mysore masala dosa in Mysore. ब्यूटीफुल. तो दोस्तों देखिए ये मैसूर के अंदर हम खा रहे हैं मैसूर मसाला डोसा. क्या बात है. पूरे हिंदुस्तान में मशहूर है मैसूर मसाला डोसा. लोगों को बहुत पसंद है. डोसा ही बहुत पसंद है पूरे हिंदुस्तान में. ऐसी डिश है साउथ इंडिया की जो कि पूरे विश्व में लोग पसंद करते हैं. और यहाँ पर मैसूर के अंदर मैसूर मसाला डोसा. वेरी टेस्टी. देखिए चटनी के साथ. इस रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है महेश प्रसाद. सारा साउथ इंडियन खाना मिलता है, नॉर्थ इंडियन भी मिलता है, बट फेमस है अपने साउथ इंडियन फूड के लिए. पूरे दक्षिण भारत में आपको डोसा खाने का बहुत आनंद आएगा और ख़ास करके मैसूर में. हाँ. सुपर्ब.
Coffee, tea, badam halwa, bornvita.
Something cold.
Cold. I will give strawberry milkshake, rose milkshake,
Okay.
vanilla milkshake,
Juice also.
juice, pineapple juice,
Sweet.
watermelon juice, mosambi juice.
Good seasonal juice. Seasonal fruit.
Mosambi.
Mosambi. One Mosambi. Orange yaar.
Or no orange.
Mosambi.
This is mosambi. And grape juice also.
Okay. Grape.
One grape.
One grape juice.
Yes, sir.
Grape juice is famous here. I see many places grape juice.
Yeah.
We'll have grape juice.
Yeah, I'll get. One grape juice, sir.
Chilled. You will make? I will take. You tell me. Guess. Make a guess.
Delhi?
I think I did I tell? Smart girl. Yes, I am from Delhi. What about?
What's your channel's name?
It's called Let's Trip India. Let's Trip India.
Food-based channel.
Food. Mainly, actually I cover India. My topic is India. So food is one. Travel and food, yeah. I mean, for food I have to travel. Then I cover whatever represents India. You know, like Dasara festival was there. I covered Dasara festival also. Topic is India. I'm an India blogger.
Eat and travel.
Huh?
Eat and travel.
Eat and travel. Yes, India is about eating. Everywhere you go, you'll find different eating.
Have you been to Kerala?
I'm going now to Kerala.
You have been to Kerala?
Oh, lovely. So nice. Where in Kerala? Calicut. I'm going to Calicut. I'm getting so many recommendations for Calicut.
Paragon.
Paragon Hotel.
The best biryani.
I'm hungry. Why eating only and now I'm hungry. Super. What kind of biryani you get? Malabar, Saradari,
Malabar dum biryani.
Malabar dum biryani. Nice.
Yummy.
Yes, Calicut. Actually, somebody else also told me about Paragon. Here I am, friends. See, this is the grape juice. All across Mysore, I am seeing shops of grape juice. Grapes are kind of the thing of Karnataka because in Bangalore, near Bangalore, Nandi Hills is where you have the vineyards, the grape vineyards. Let's try. Wow! So sweet and delicious. Amazing. Grape juice is really, really tasty. Then you go to Ruchi Mess. Ruchi Mess. Wherever you see mess, na, you get the pulao, mutton pulao. Then Hanumantu pulao. It's called Hanumantu pulao. And go to Vinayak Mailari for dosa. Dosa. They call it dosa. Small dosa, chinna dosa.
Kerala we call dosa.
Yeah. Always, the first half of my trip, I am taking recommendations. The second half, I am giving recommendations. So this, friends, is the real Mysore masala dosa. I was in doubt whether it's a hoax. Nothing like that exists. And chefs all over India just make something of their own, applying the red chutney. But no, I was wrong. This exists. And over here in Mahesh Prasad restaurant, you can try the Mysore masala dosa. Actually, not everywhere you get this kind of a dosa. A lot of places they give the small dosa without the chutney. Not in the so-called Mysore style, but over here, you will come and you say, I want a Mysore masala dosa, you will get the Mysore masala dosa with a good dousing of butter. And unlike other places, we do not serve the sambar, here they do serve the sambar, and sambar is delicious. And don't forget to enjoy the grape juice.
Namaskara, sweetie. Jai Jai. Namaskara. Ah, sweet girl.
So nice.
She is MSc B.Ed.
Ah, very nice. My mother also MSc B.Ed. Chemistry.
She is engineer.
Very good. You must be very proud. You have such intelligent girls.
Retired master.
Retired master, a teacher?
Yes.
Ah, very nice. Where did you teach, sir?
Yeah, here only. Mysore.
Which college?
No. Convent.
Convent school, huh? You must be a good teacher. You don't look strict.
No, it's actually a dead opposite to that. He is very strict.
Very strict, huh? These days you can't be strict. Earlier, teachers were strict. They used to beat also. My teacher used to beat. Now I don't think so.
Government rules has changed.
Huh? Amazing. Very nice. Thank you, sir. And the meals in the afternoon, meals for lunch. Very nice. You are very sweet. You gave me coffee. Anna, your name? Bhaskar. Bhaskar, Anna, very sweet. Whenever you come to Mahesh Prasad, meet Bhaskar, sir. He will take good care of you. Thank you, sir. And now, having a coffee. Coffee in Mysore is amazing. I've been enjoying from the time I've come here. So let's try. Delicious coffee. And the place is filled with people. So once I've had my dosa, I thought to just get up from the table so that more people can sit. There was this lovely family over here, so I just vacated my seat for them so that they can sit and I can enjoy my coffee standing, talking to you guys, right? Amazing meal, Mysore masala dosa. You can have at Mahesh Prasad restaurant. Very nice ambience this place has, and enjoy Mahesh Prasad, good food, and enjoy the whole of Mysore. Do visit Mysore and enjoy the lovely food that you get here. Right? This is Siddharth. Follow our channel, subscribe to our channel, love our channel, love Indian food, promote Indian food, and support our promotion of Indian food. Right? Cheers, guys.